Today I'll be showing you how to configure backup settings on your Windows 11 system. Backing up involves uploading files and folders to a cloud system provided by Microsoft, which is known as OneDrive. Backing up is important because it enables retrieval of files and folders in case of loss or damage to your device. To configure backup settings, first click on the Start icon. Then choose Settings. Select Accounts. Select Windows Backup. To configure OneDrive settings, click on Manage Sync Settings. Select files which you wish to upload. Ensure that the files are within the storage limit of your cloud system. Finally, click on Start Backup, and that is how you configure OneDrive settings on your Microsoft system. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.